Take a look around you. Everything that defines our modern world, every convenience, every marvel, every single breakthrough, was once dismissed as a fantasy. It was once called impossible. A label placed on the edge of human understanding, a boundary meant to be respected. But history has a different story to tell. Flying through the clouds, once a dream reserved for birds. Talking to a loved one across oceans in an instant, once the stuff of magic. Even mending a broken heart, both literally and figuratively, was a frontier we thought we could never cross. These weren't just ideas, they were declarations of defiance against the status quo. So what is impossible to you? That business you're afraid to start? That marathon you think you can't run? That skill you believe is beyond your grasp? The word impossible isn't a fact. It's an opinion. It's a starting line, not a finish line. It simply means it hasn't been done by you yet. The journey begins not with a giant leap, but with a single, deliberate step. Break it down. What is the very first action you can take? Not tomorrow, but right now. Write the first line of code. Sketch the first design. Run the first mile. Make the first call. Embrace the stumbles. Failure is not your enemy. It is your teacher. It's the data you need to recalibrate, to refine your approach, to build resilience. Every no you hear, every setback you face, is just a redirection toward a better path. When you dare to believe in what the world calls impossible, you ignite the spark of possibility. You give it form, you give it breath, you give it a chance to exist. So dream big. No, dream bigger than you think is sensible. Let your ambition be audacious. Let your vision be unapologetic. Because the future is not written by critics or cynics. It is forged by the creators, the innovators, the believers. The ones who look at the word impossible, smile, and say, "Watch me."
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.